Gopis are reminding us of this bhushana. We're Purusha, we're people. And what is our ornamentation? The gopis are saying Purusha Bhushana. Dehi dasyam. Dehi dasyam. Dehi can go this way and Dehi can go that way. In Sanskrit, Dehi is a verb. So Purusha Bhushana Dehi or Dasyam Dehi. So the gopis, it says, Tapt Atmanam. There's a lot of tap here. There's Tivra Kam, there's Tapta At, there's Tivra Kam and Tapta Atman. So their desire to serve and love Krishna is burning like a forest fire. And their very Atmas, their very self, Atman, means their very self, is Tapta, which also means burning. They say Taptatmanam, Purusha Bhushanam, Dehi Dasyam. They're saying Dehi, they're saying Purusha Bhushan Dehi. Give us, hey Purusha, give us the ornament of you. You're the Supreme Person. Lila Purushottam, Prem Purushottam, Madhurya Purushottam. And then Krishna's still like, okay then, Dehi Dasya. If you're not going to decorate our limbs and decorate us with the necklace of your beautiful arms and chest, then make us your servants and let us massage your feet. And that's how they started the verse. Brijayardana Angri Moolam. Please remove our distress. Angri means pada, means pair, means foot. Please remove our distress, accept us, and let us be servants at your feet, Dehi Dasyam. You look at this verse 38. So say, Angri Moolam Twadapashana Dehi Dasyam. In one 4-line verse, the gopis are asking 3 times. It's one shloka. In one shloka, the gopis are asking 3 times. They're ending 3 out of 4 lines with, please let us serve you, please let us serve you, please let us serve you. First line they say, Angri Moolam. Then they say upasana nasha. Then they say Dehi Dasyam. So I just mentioned that they have so many desires for serving Krishna, for his seva. The 3 lines are saying we want your seva, Angri Moolam, upasana, Dehi Dasyam. And why? Because Tivra Kam. We're burning with desires for that. We're burning with desires to serve you. So we are supposed to become gopi-like. They're the ideal devotees and the ideal worshippers of Krishna, Radha. Radha means Aradhanam. Radharani means she's the greatest worshipper of Krishna, so she's Radha. So we're supposed to become servants of Radharani. So we should also burn. The Braja Gopis are saying, intense burning desires to serve, please, and love Krishna in every possible way. So that's the lessons we can take from the gopis. Anxiety, their dainya bhav, their despair, their helplessness. Jiva Goswami said the gopis are feeling helpless. They're standing here, listening to Krishna speak for 15 minutes, and they've been speaking for 15 minutes. Half hour is already gone of the beautiful night and the full moon of the Sharad season. Still no dancing, no romancing, no anything. It's a standoff, it's a conflict in love. Which way will it go? He's saying go that way and go home, return to your homes, get out of here. They're saying no, our feet won't move an inch from your lotus feet. So now what? It's a stalemate, it's a standoff. They're adamant, they're firm, but they're also feeling helpless. He's not budging, he's not relenting, he's not submitting, he's not responding.